Welcome back. Cabinet on Friday approved Zilla Panchayat election on party lines. Chief Minister Laxmikant Parsekar, while briefing media, said election is being conducted on party lines to bring stability, discipline and accountability in the ZPs. Government has approved the amendment in Panchayat Raj Act. Further, government is also planning to conduct Gram Panchayat elections on party lines. Government will issue an ordinance with this amendment. Both the district ZPs will have 25 seats each.
Zilla Panchayat elections पक्षीय पातळीचेर घेवची ठरयली.
Only for ZP काय even पंचायत election?
Initially for ZP. आमी जे कितें केलां ते ZP खातीर केलां. उत्तरेक 30 असल्यो तेन्नाचे आनी दक्षिण जिल्हा पंचायतीक 20 असल्यो. त्यो आमी 30च्यो 25 केल्यो आनी 20च्यो 25 केला. हो एक अमेंडमेंट आसा.
डिलिमिटेशन जातले.
हय स्वाभाविकपणे आतां जावचें पडलें न्ही. थोडे मायनर जातले, व्हडले न्ही, सामके मायनर. इलेक्शन ऑफ द मेंबर्स फ्रॉम कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसीज ऑफ अ जिल्हा पंचायत shall be for the candidates sponsored by political parties as defined under section 16A of the Act. However, independent candidates shall also be eligible to contest as independents. Panchayat Raj जो आसा 1994 ताका आमी हेचो ordinance काडटाले हे. Election procedure rules 1996 rules आसात ते अमेंड केल्या.
Other political parties are also involved. म्हणून त्यांना तुम्ही विचारान किंवा विश्वासान घेवपाचे.
सरकारचो निर्णय न्ही तो.
कॅबिनेटाचो.
हय 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 कॅबिनेट कन्सेन्सस आसलो. शिस्त आसची, बरें कोऑर्डिनेशन आसचें, स्टेबिलिटी आसची, कोणी तरी विचारणारो वयल्यान आसचो. देशांत अनेक राज्यांनी आसा आनी ज्या पद्दतीन हांगा अस्थिरता जी आसा म्हळ्यार 6 म्हयन्यान हालय, वर्सान हालय, वांटून घेवप आनी त्यामुळे विकासाचेर ताचो परिणाम जाता. आमकां दिसता निश्चित, पूण तेचेर निर्णय जाल्लो ना. हे कशें आसा हे सादारणपणे हाचेर अंदाज घेवया न्ही.
However, sources say MGP has pointed at some flaws in the proposed amendment in Panchayat Raj Act. The act is not clear on the disqualification of the ZP member in case of switching over from the parent party. CM has assured the ministers to remove the flaws. Meanwhile, 3 BJP MLAs did not attend the cabinet meeting. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Fulari for Prudent. The decision and actions of former Union Environment and Forest Minister Jayanti Natarajan have come under scanner. This is following Natarajan's allegations that his decision on environment clearances were influenced by the diktats of the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. Natarajan has suspended Goa mining environment clearances in September 2012, a decision yet to be revoked.
As Environment Minister, I hereby suspend all environment clearances, and unless we are convinced that the environment clearances were not obtained on the basis of false information on which we depend the state government to supply the information and our own officers to verify, those licenses will not be renewed.
A confidant of Gandhi family, Jayanti Natarajan, dropped a bombshell on the party high command on Friday while quitting it after a 30-year-long association. Natarajan says there is no more democracy in the Congress party.
I received input via representations from NGOs which were sent to Shri Rahul Gandhi and he sent them to me. I received input whereby he said please look into this and see that this environmental degradation is not allowed, and that was like a directive for me. So I took the initiative to do it.
It may be recalled that Narendra Modi during his rally at Mirses in Goa last year had spoken about Jayanti tax being charged in the Environment Ministry to clear the projects. Modi was speaking on the backdrop of Goa mining. This was Modi's charge.
पहली बार हमारे कान पे आया कि दिल्ली में एक जयंती टैक्स चलता है. जब तक ये जयंती टैक्स पूरा नहीं होता है, पर्यावरण में, एनवायरमेंट में फाइल इधर उधर हिल नहीं सकती.
And this is how Natarajan reacted to Modi's Jayanti tax charge on Friday.
I am saying, if Mr. Modi spoke about Jayanti tax, my answer is, let him investigate and find out. He's in power now. If I've done anything, let them look at every file. Let the CBI look at anything. I welcome it.
The suspension of Goa Mines environment clearances during Natarajan's tenure is yet to be revoked. Natarajan's disclosure of Rahul's dictates on environment clearances may be just another tool in the BJP's hands to target the then Congress-led UPA government for its role in Goa mining closure. Bureau Report, Prudent. Former PWD Minister Churchill Alemao has once again denied his role in multi-crore PWD tender scam. Crime Branch questioned Churchill for more than 2 hours, but Churchill is passing the buck on the government officials. Sources say Churchill has stated that he, as a minister, did not smell the rat in the tender process. While talking to media on Friday, former PWD Minister Churchill Alemao strongly denied his alleged role in multi-crore PWD tender scam during his tenure. Churchill passed the buck on government officials, saying that the proposals were drafted by them.
Churchill Alemao, एक minister खाली approve करो कितना project approve त्याका मागीर ती files एक धाडा आमी कोणाक chief engineer मागीर ई धाडलो आणि ते technically तेमचो माझ्या माग काय लागना.
Earlier on Thursday, Churchill Alemao appeared before the crime branch. The investigating officer quizzed Churchill for more than 2 hours. Crime Branch had registered FIR in December 2013 against Churchill Alemao and then PWD Executive Engineer P.T. Parker. But Churchill claims political motive behind the allegations.
Parker, तेजे केस घालून आम्ही असं सस्पेंड केलं त्याक आम्ही म्हणजे कोणाची कंप्लेंट केलं म्हणून ते किती रॉंग आहा राईट आहा जाऊ नको पूण जेन्ना आमगेले फकत एप्रुवल करप आमी टेक्निकल सेक्शन नाही आणि मागीर ताका फायनान्स मिनिस्टर आसता ते पयशे दिवपाक पयशांचेर हेजेर हाले मुगे कित्याक म्हाका फिगरां घालता कित्याक चर्चिल म्हळ्यार म्हाजे भिरांत सगळ्यांक.
Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Savia Dias for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.